Maasai Mara, where your focus determines your reality. It's all about choice, chance, and change. It's not what you look at that matters, it's what you see. Unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can happen. Focus on the journey, not the destination. When you trust yourself, you will know how to live. The only way to follow your path is to take the lead. Changing your perspective changes your experience. Trust the journey of your life. Write it well, edit it often. Change is the only constant. Never give up on yourself. To understand another being, you must swim in the waters that drown them.